My name's Andy Wright. I'm doing a bit of roast chicken today. Got a lovely free-range organic chicken. Just going to stuff it with some herbs and serve it with some roast kiplers and roast carrots. So when these roast, these will give a lovely flavour, and they'll also we'll make the sauce out of them later on. So we've got a bit more garlic, a little bit more lemon, and a few herbs at the end. So I've got some rosemary and some thyme out of the garden as well. I've got the oven on 180 degrees. I'll put a little drizzle of olive oil over it. And some salt. Now what I've got for this, in the recipe it says smoked paprika, but I've got a Middle Eastern spice mix which is full of smoked paprika. It's also got like hints of cumin. So you can use whatever you want on these sort of dishes. And that'll give a lovely flavour. You can smell those beautiful spices coming on. So vegetables, this is for the roast chicken. So I've got some red onion. I'm just going to quickly peel. And these are going to be cut into 6. And these will go in with the chicken halfway through the cooking. Just like that. I've got these Kipfler potatoes. What I've done is I've parboiled them. And then to make them nice, so when they roast up, you fork down the middle, and then you get the little ridges, and that creates this little crispiness. And then I've also got some carrots, which you can use little carrots like this, or you could use baby carrots and leave that's in the recipe. So I'm going to cut these the same size as the onions, so they all sort of cook at the same time. Put a bit of oil, salt, pepper and those, and some herbs, and that will all come together. Okay, so the chicken's probably about 20 minutes, 30 minutes off, so I'm just going to put the veggies in now. Pop a few of those in there, just around the outside, so these will soak up the juices as well. We've got some thyme, a little bit of olive oil, and then salt and pepper. So back in the oven for about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to get these on the plate. So these have soaked up the juices as well, so some lovely flavours going on there. So what we're going to do, we'll just pull out all this out of the cavity. And that goes into these resting juices. A good idea with the chicken is to turn it over the other way, because what happens, all the juices from the leg runs into the breast. So even though it doesn't look so pretty to all the family, it'll keep the breast a lot more moist. So I just cover that with a little bit of foil. Okay, so what we've got here, we've got the lemon and the garlic. So I'm just going to mash this up a bit, and it's going to make a lovely sauce. I've got a little bit more chicken stock there. So I'm just going to a little bit of flour, just a tiny bit, and this will make what's known as a roux. So a roux is the basis for a good sauce. I'll just thicken it slightly. If you're gluten-free, you can use gluten-free corn flour, it'll do the same job. So that's nicely cooked out. So we're just going to add this chicken stock, it's nice and golden. So this should be garlicky with a herby flavour and with a bit of lemon, a bit of sour lemon to it, which goes well with the richness. There's all these juices that have come out of the chicken, resting chicken, obviously pour that in there. Just going to put that through a strainer. Just get the last little bit, nice bit of flavour out of that. Chefy style, you've got to put a bit of parsley on stuff. Huge fan of parsley, it just looks nice and fresh as well. So a few little sprigs there. The chicken's nicely rested. So there's the sauce. We'll carve this in a minute, but this will go superbly with the Chardonnay, which goes really well. The creamy butteriness of that works really well with the chicken. There we go, roast chicken, kiplers, carrots, and some caramelised red onion, and a nice lemony garlicky sauce.